Time to get with Cleaves Insights, yeah. For the stories and the sights, you know it's right. So like and follow, don't you stop. Hit subscribe and take it to the top.
Oh, this thing's heavy. What are the chances of me getting this thing up to the car? There's got to be an easier way, and I'm going to figure it out. This is too heavy. Woo. No way, man. I think I solved the problem with this and this. Now look, guys, this is just an old cheap, old-fashioned luggage cart from back in the day when luggage didn't have wheels on them. And it pretty much just goes up like this. This detaches from here, like that. It goes out like that. This locks into place, like that. These go down, these go out. But I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna attach these wheels to this bike rack so it'll be easy for me to take it from the shop up to the vehicle or just to move it around. I'm too old for this and I'm not gonna do it. Watch this. Okay, let's try this out. I think it's gonna work pretty easy as planned. Sometimes you gotta use your brains, guys. I mean, I don't know where I got this cart from, but I'm glad I got it. So let's try to go ahead and get this thing installed on so I can roll this thing up to my truck. So first of all, let's see if we can just kind of get it underneath here, like that. Lift it up. Let's see, lift this up like this. Get it there. Come up on this side and pretty much get this under here, like this. Bring it back, all the way back like this. There we go, like that. Now you can see the wheels are down and pretty much centered with this. Now, all we have to do now is basically, you can lift this up like that, put this in through here. So these are resting against the aluminum rails, which makes sense to me. Take these tie-down straps that came with it, and what I'll do is, let's see, what if we went down? Remember, guys, this is trial and error. I know it's going to work though. We went down like this and came up all the way over here to this loop. Right here. Loop that in. Let's go ahead and take this one. Come down over through here. And out. Back up to this side. Just pressure on it. Got some holding it that way. Now, we just need something to connect the handle on here right up this way. So we're taking this loop right here and put it on the handle like so. It's coming around so the handle doesn't flop when you pick it up. Now guys, got the wheels on here and everything. I'm interested to see how this is going to work. Let's go ahead and lift it up and put it on the wheels. Let's get back a little bit so you can see. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the wheels and see what's up. Okay. This sucker is heavy. So with that being said, just slide it down off the wheels like that. That. There's a tree root down here. Oh, lift it over this tree root. It's always something, man. Okay, over this tree root. Here we go. Now, we can get it out. And away we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more content of this nature. I'm here to do everything I can to make everybody's life easier. See you on the next one.